Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor at the back of the watch, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu, and in the menu you should see the heart rate option. Tap on it. This will open the heart rate widget, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the watch should detect your heart rate. This number will jump around, and once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. So keep holding it for like a second or two. Let's say it's around 70. Okay, and once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.